shit, y'all.
At least 7 people were killed as severe weather, including possible tornadoes, swept through St. Louis, Missouri and other parts of the state on Friday, authorities said.
Really? Tornado, man. We're in the tornado. Oh, shit.
Well, here's Redbud, y'all. We got hit pretty bad.
5 people were killed in St. Louis, and 2 more were killed in Scott County, in southeastern Missouri, officials said. Speaking at an evening news conference, St. Louis officials said more than 5,000 homes may have been affected by the severe weather by the afternoon. A spokeswoman for St. Louis Children's Hospital and Barnes Jewish Hospital said the facilities had received at least 35 patients in total, with the children's facility receiving 15 patients and Barnes Jewish receiving at least 20, possibly 30, patients injured by the weather. The spokeswoman said all but 2 patients at the children's facility were expected to be released Friday night. 1 patient had previously been listed in critical condition. Several patients at Barnes Jewish would be released, while others were listed in serious condition, the spokeswoman said. At a recent news conference, Mayor Kara Spencer announced that the death toll had increased from 4 to 5. Earlier, he said the 2 fatalities were in North City, where the tornado was reported. The northern part of the city, from Forest Park to the northern limits, was under a curfew until 6 a.m., the mayor said. Fire Chief Dennis Jankerson said the severe weather affected about 20 square blocks of the city. St. Louis police spokesman Mitch McCoy said search and rescue operations were underway with the help of the Missouri State Highway Patrol and area first responders. "We have to work together to save as many people as possible and save lives," he told NBC affiliate KSDK in St. Louis. Search teams will find much of the city in darkness, with more than 40,000 St. Louis area electric customers without power Friday night, according to electricity tracker poweroutage.us. Missouri has more than 97,000 electric customers in the dark, according to the site. The tornado was reported just after 2:30 p.m. in the nearby city of Forest Park and was moving east toward Granite City, Illinois, National Weather Service meteorologist Marshall Fowler said. The extent of the tornado likely won't be known until Saturday, when weather observers can arrive at the scene and measure damage, tracks, and other elements of the tornado, he said. The weather service that covers St. Louis later told X. Damage reports and radar imagery indicate a tornado is likely in parts of St. Louis this afternoon. We will have survey teams out in the field tomorrow to confirm and assign ratings. KSDK reported that 2 tornadoes may have hit the area on Friday. The National Weather Service said it was working to confirm the second tornado. The station reported that a man was rescued from the rubble of a house after an hours-long operation. The house was likely destroyed by the tornado or high winds that accompanied the severe weather in the area on Friday, the station said. Considering the structure that collapsed on him, he's doing okay, a firefighter said after the man was pulled out. The man had sought shelter inside the house and ended up trapped inside, possibly in the kitchen, KSDK said. Coverage from the area included images of the destroyed Harlem Tap Room, a historic bar on the city's north side that had been in the same location for about 80 years. A witness who was at the bar told KSDK that a warning from another customer and the bar's flickering lights preceded his and others' move to the back of the building, which he said likely saved lives. City officials and St. Louis police urged people to stay home Friday as they dealt with the storm's aftermath. Electric company Spire Energy, which serves 1.7 million customers in the area, said there was significant damage to homes. Video of the damage showed collapsed brick walls and downed tree limbs and power lines in the area. The nearby city of Clayton said its city hall was closed to coordinate a response to the severe weather. In Scott County, Sheriff Derek Wheatley said in a social media post that 2 people were killed in a massive tornado there.